In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset OneDrive in Windows 11. If you've been encountering syncing issues or any other glitches with OneDrive, this guide is designed to help you swiftly address those problems with just a few simple steps. Let's jump right in. To begin, you'll first need to press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard simultaneously. This key combination opens up a useful feature in Windows known as the Run dialog box. It's a handy little tool that allows you to execute commands for various programs or to navigate to specific folders directly, bypassing the usual route of navigating through numerous menus. With the Run dialog box open, what you'll want to type in is reset.exe. Now, this command is typically used for resetting the Windows Store cache, but it also works wonders when it comes to resetting some elements of OneDrive, especially if you're dealing with sync errors or performance hiccups. Make sure you type it just as I mentioned reset.exe, ensuring there are no spaces or added characters. Once you've typed in the command, you will notice an OK button on the dialog box. Go ahead and click on it. This simple action will execute the command you've just entered. Now, keep in mind, this process is quite subtle. You won't be seeing any visual notifications or progress indicators popping up on your screen, but rest assured, the background task has already been kicked off. After executing the command, just give it a moment. You'll soon notice that OneDrive will restart on its own. This is usually marked by the OneDrive icon disappearing briefly from the notification area on your taskbar and then reappearing. This is a clear indication that OneDrive has been successfully reset and restarted, addressing those minor issues you might have been facing. It's a straightforward yet effective remedy and can certainly save you from having to delve into more technical troubleshooting methods. However, if you find that issues persist even after you've performed this reset, there's another step you might consider. Sometimes uninstalling and reinstalling OneDrive can be the key. This process helps in clearing out any corrupted files or settings that might be hindering the program's performance. You can do this by heading over to the Apps section in your Windows settings. From there, find Microsoft OneDrive, then follow the prompts to uninstall it. Once done, you can download the latest version of OneDrive from the official Microsoft website and reinstall it. And just like that, you've learned how to reset OneDrive in Windows 11. With these steps, you should be able to resolve most minor issues and get back to enjoying the seamless cloud storage experience that OneDrive offers.